Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib. In 2025, how much will 20 million Shiba Inu coins be worth? Shib news right now, the last steps are being taken to make the long-awaited Shibarium. Latest news says that the Shiba Inu team stated that the testnet for this layer to blockchain solution has been launched. This has made the crypto community very happy. The price of Shib started going up as soon as it was announced that the Shibarium testnet would be going live, as more investors buy Shiba Inu before the expected explosion after the product launch. Demand for the coin is rising. This is one reason why the coin has done well. Shibarium was made to solve the big problem of Shiba Inu being dependent on the Ethereum blockchain. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will run on blockchain, and coders will be able to add to it. That's why it's one of the most important uses for the Shiba Inu coin that will still help it spread. We are going to talk about how much 20 million Shiba Inu coins will be worth in 2025 in this video. Shib news, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu. Let's start the video right away. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu has gone up by 15.2% in the last 24 hours and by 31.2% in the last week. This happened on January 17th. Today, SHIB is the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency by market value. But at 0.00001 to dollars, it is having one of the best days of all 100 cryptocurrencies. The memecoin's 24-hour trading volume also went up by almost 200%. Most of these deals happen on Binance and Coinbase. As has happened many times in the past. Altcoins are seeing strong rallies after the market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This could be because traders are putting their gains from large-cap assets back into smaller ones. There was a huge increase in the number of SHIB tokens sent to exchanges on January 10th, when over 14 trillion tokens were added to markets. A report from CryptoCoin says that the price increase today suggests that holdings may be used to start derivative contracts instead of being sold in the spot market. But if the present movements in the SHIB price are caused by the derivatives market, it could become more volatile if people who are long start to sell. The people who made Shiba Inu said earlier this week that they are making Shibarium, a layer to network, to run on top of Ethereum. In the blog post that introduced the idea, the team said that they knew this. Some people see Shibarium as a way to raise prices, but that has never been the project's main goal. Instead, the team says that its new layer to network will keep costs low and speed up transactions for ecosystem coins. Throughout January, the price of Shiba Inu has gone up a lot. Still, you should be careful because bigger time frames don't always show the best bullish signals. Investors are paying close attention to the Shiba Inu price because of all the volatility that has happened this month, which has created many profitable chances for day traders. The market is taking a short break, and the technicals point north. However, they also show reasons to be wary of the long-term possibility of the uptrend. Shiba Inu is worth 0.01037 right now. On the daily time frame, the Relative Strength Index RSI, which compares and contrasts past turning points to figure out if a trend is likely to happen, shows an odd situation. The indicators are clearly bullish, as they broke through overbought levels above 70 during the most recent rise. Even though there was a rise, the weekly RSI didn't really change. There is a hidden negative divergence in the spike because it stays in the neutral zone. This could be a modest sign that early market bulls are moving toward a waterfall and could sell off in the next few weeks. If this is true, the recent support level at 0.00800 could give way to a challenge, which would mean that the current SHIB price would drop by 25%. Also, the level of liquidity above the secret bearish divergence may be where smart money thinks SHIB will go up in the future. If the price breaks through 0.01516. It could end the bearish theory and lead to a rally toward the August high at 0.01793, which would mean that Shiba Inu's market value would rise by 75%. In the comments on January 15th, 2023, many people said nice things about Shiba Inu. Some even said they liked it better than Dogecoin, which was the first meme token and was created as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. Shib is still going up, and there are no signs that the market will change direction soon. A sudden rise in value is probably due to a number of updates about Shibarium and its listing on a number of major cryptocurrency markets. Shiba Inu has also been showing signs of a breakout because it has been sagging at the 200-day moving average for more than 4 days. This could have been a build-up period before the breakout we saw today. However, David Goldstein only has Doge and Shiba Inu, as shown in previous tweets. It's likely that the burning volume will keep going up, as long as the current price trend stays in place. The second largest meme coin by market capitalization value got backing from the Japanese trading platform altcoin Japan early in December. Altcoin Japan is a branch of the exchange based in San Francisco. The latest Shiba Inu coin news says that the market is still going down, and that not much can be expected from it. The business world might need some time to get back on track after this trend. Many experts think that a big crypto winter is still to come, but others say that investors are in for a good time. The price might go above the goal of 0.269 if projects like DAO, Shiba Inu Game, and NFTs give it more push. On the other hand, normal forces of buying and selling could push the price to 0.185. The price could stay at 0.102 if trends go down. Retail and luxury brands are becoming more open to it, which could lead to global fame and a flood of high-end customers. Step by step, the spike effect is clear. Right now, whales own the most, followed by regular investors. Still, the amount of money that stores have helped has been steadily going up. Because of this, if there are more buy orders, the price of SHIB could reach 0.361. On the other hand, a low level of SHIB and a lack of sales could bring the price down to 0.305. Based on the goals for going up and down, the average price could find its base at 0.250. If the creator's ambitious plans come true and Shib becomes a major player in the metaverse, the company is likely to grow quickly over the next few years. The price of SHIB could reach 0.437. If the community moves the price with normal forces of buying and selling, SHIB could trade at 0.377 on average. On the other hand, if buyers don't keep up with how quickly the digital asset can be traded on exchanges, fear and negativity could drive down the price to 0.0000318. It's important to note that Shiba Inu's price forecast is now more than 87% lower than its all-time high of 0.8845. Coinpedia Shiba Inu price estimate, on the other hand, says that if the bulls come in, Shiba Inu could reach a high point of 0.259 by the end of 2023. If a lot of people sell their meme coins, which is a sign of a negative trend, the price could drop into a bearish hook and land at 0.0000112. The network then added a token called Leash, which came after Shib. The network quickly changed into a form that could be used in place of the original token. After starting out as a rebase token, the keys were burned, and there are now a set number of 100,000 tokens available. The network says that anyone who keeps the currency's value high will get special benefits. The network is very safe because Ethereum runs it, even though it is still a new project on the market. Since Ethereum wants to move from a proof-of-work POW to a proof-of-support POS system, Shiba Inu will likely benefit from the change. The alternative currency can be bought and sold on well-known platforms such as Coinbase Pro, Binance, KuCoin, WazirX India, and Uniswap. That's all for today. It's important that you hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.